Hey, Cyber-Theo here. Pop music has produced some iconic artists over the years. Let's look at the 3 best pop singers who have left an indelible mark on the music industry. Michael Jackson. Why he's great. Known as the King of Pop, Michael Jackson revolutionized the music industry with his groundbreaking albums, incredible dance moves, and iconic music videos. Hits: Thriller, Billie Jean, Beat It. Impact: his influence spans generations, setting standards for performance, music production, and philanthropy. Madonna. Why she's great. Madonna, the Queen of Pop, has been a trailblazer in music and fashion, constantly reinventing herself and pushing boundaries. Hits: Like a Virgin, Vogue, Hung Up. Impact: her ability to adapt and evolve has kept her relevant for decades, making her a pop culture icon. Beyoncé. Why she's great. Beyoncé, often referred to as Queen Bey, is known for her powerful vocals, dynamic performances, and profound influence on music and culture. Hits: Single Ladies, Crazy in Love, Formation. Impact: her work as a solo artist and with Destiny's Child has earned her numerous awards and a massive global following. These pop legends have shaped the music industry and continue to inspire new generations of artists. Check out their music and see why they're considered the best. Consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.